And special thanks to our friends over at i-Blason who are nice enough to send us this Google Pixel 8 Pro Armorbox case in Rudy. Now inside of this box is basically a red case, which looks phenomenal. Slide this out, nothing else in the box. And then we have a little instruction manual, and then take this off, and there is that red case. I mean, I love the color of that. Stands out real nice. It's a nice bright red. If you have a red car, this is definitely the case you would want. Now you can take this out. You have a little installation guide, and you of course have a belt clip, which this is one of my favorite features of i-Blason cases. You can rotate it either this way to clip it on your side, or this way, either one. Love the belt clips. Then this is the actual phone case. As you can see, we can just pull right here on this corner to take it apart and pop out the screen here. Take this out, peel this on off. Can even peel that off. So this is an included screen protector. So with this case, you would not need a screen protector. It is protected from the get-go. Absolutely one of my favorite features. And I also love this nice red outline that'll show on the case. Then this is the main part of the armor box. Nice thick corners for in case you drop it, for drop protection. Nice cutout for the camera module. Just a beautiful red color, and this almost looks like carbon fiber look here. Love that. And the best thing is you can just pop this out, and then when you're out at lunch, you can set up your phone like this or like this to watch videos. Absolutely one of my favorites, and that will essentially do it for this unboxing of the i-Blason Armorbox Rudy. And today, special thanks to our friends over at i-Blason who were nice enough to send us this Google Pixel 8 Pro Armorbox in Gul'dan. Now inside of this box is a nice green case, nothing else in here. And so you can see it's like an army looking green. We have a little instruction manual, then it's just foam, the actual case here. Got a little installation guide here, and one of my favorite features of i-Blason, the Armorbox Pixel 8 Pro clip. So you can clip this on your belt, and you can either put it this way or rotate it this way to clip it on your belt. Love the belt clips. Then this is the actual case. You can see a very nice dark army green, as I mentioned. And if we pull right here, we can take the case apart. This is how you take it apart. So take this out, peel this one off. So this is a screen protector. So you would not need a screen protector with this case. It naturally comes with one, and you're just able to pop this right on to the front of your Pixel 8 Pro. And then this is your main case. So nice thick armor box. You got some nice grip here on the side, nice thick corners all the way around in case you drop it. Cut out for your camera module. You do have a plug here to keep your USB-C port safe. And then the best part, the kickstand. I love the kickstand. When you're out at lunch, you can just set up your phone like this or like this and enjoy videos. And then when you're done at lunch, just put your kickstand back down and boom, you're ready to go. So thanks again to i-Blason, who was nice enough to send this case to me. And special thanks to our friends over at i-Blason, who were nice enough to send us this Google Pixel 8 Pro Armorbox case in black. So let's open this up and show you what you get here. This is just an unboxing to show you what comes inside of the box. Nothing else in there. So inside of this nice plastic sleeve is your little instruction manual, and then your case. So you can see here, have an installation guide. It does include a clip, so that way you're able to clip this on your belt. I personally love these and love that it rotates. Well, i-Blason logo, love the clips. And then this is the case. So as you can see, a little spot for your fingerprint reader, which you peel off here. And to open this case, you just pull at this corner, and then you're able to kind of get underneath and pull it apart. Take all of this fun stuff off. And so this is the front. This does have a screen protector, which I absolutely love. And then this is the armor box. As you can see, you have the cutout for the camera back here. Some nice thickness on each side in case that you drop it. You do have a little port cover for your USB-C port, cutout for your speaker grills. And then the coolest feature, and one of my favorites, the kickstand. With this kickstand, you can either set your phone case like this and watch you a show while you're at lunch, or you can set it like this if you're watching more vertical video. So thanks again to i-Blason, who was nice enough to send me this Armorbox case for the Pixel 8 Pro. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.